Hello my beautiful friends. So today I'm going to be testing this wax heater I got from Amazon from Bella Verde. Let's get into what's included in this box. And of course the main thing is the heater, and then we got the pre-waxing spray to help reduce all the oils and everything from our skin. Then the next thing is the aftercare, the after waxing spray to soothe that itchiness and burning feeling. The applicator, we got two sizes. One is a bigger, smaller, and then we got 4 packets of hard wax beans, to which I ended up using 2 of them while doing my legs today. And the heater itself comes with a lid and then a little bucket if you need to get the wax out of there and put it in a different place. This is the inside. It's really easy to clean. It looks very nice, very simple. And then we have different settings of the heat to make sure that the wax is heating, the regular US plug, and that's about it. It's pretty simple and basic. I wasn't sure how much product I needed, as it's the first time I'm doing it at home by myself, so I started with just 1 pack at first. But once I started doing it, I realized I need a little more than that. After I put the lid on and turn on the settings to the highest heat possible for the wax to melt evenly, it took about 25 minutes to have the wax melted completely. Then I lowered the heat settings and waited about 10-15 minutes. This way I wouldn't burn myself. And I'm prepping my skin with a pre-waxing spray. It's designed to clean deodorant, makeup, and body oils from the skin prior to the waxing. To make less mess, I am rotating it around until there is no wax left and apply a generous amount on a certain area. Also, it's very important to apply it in the direction your hair grows. The whole process is pretty messy, so make sure you are in the area where you can easily clean it up or just put a towel underneath. Then you're gonna wait a few minutes to let it dry. I definitely would advise to work few areas at a time. This way it's not so time consuming, but also you won't hurt that much while you're doing a little bit at a time. I found that the easiest way to pull it is to lift the sides a little bit and then hold it and pull really quickly. As you can see, it cleaned up pretty well and it didn't hurt as much as I thought it would be. Now once you're done, use your after waxing spray. This one in particular is infused with lavender and vitamin E, which helps with relieving the itchiness, reduces the redness, irritation, and provides intense aftercare after waxing. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely not going back to shaving anymore, and my skin feels so good. As my first time experience doing it at home, this was awesome. If you want to get this one in particular, I'll leave the link in the description box. What product should I try next? Let me know in the comments. And this is it for today, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one.